Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with our 26th Technique Tuesday. So we are home from Vermont. Unfortunately, we don't have any fireplaces behind us this time, but we are here with a fun new technique
using our mini stapler.
So it's really cute. It's super tiny, you can see, and we are going to show you how to use it in a bunch of different ways. Are you ready?
I am ready.
All right, here we go.
So today we're going to be using the Close to My Heart stapler. And of course, if you have a stapler, you need staples, so you can buy refills, the mini staples. I wrote this 2000 on there because that's how many staples are in each box.
There are tons and tons and tons. And it is super tiny as well if you turn it to the side.
Yes. Oop, turn it to the side. Sorry.
Hey, look, it's a mini stapler.
Yes. So I'm going to show you when you are putting in the new staples, there's a little hook here. You just push it in and the glider comes out. I don't know what that thing is called, but and I taped it so it wouldn't fall out. What? Like that. And then you just slide it into this little channel there, and you have your little pusher that goes in, and you just hook it back in. And there you have it. Now your stapler will work. So, oops, hello staples. I'm going to put you over there.
See how tiny they are? They're super cute. Okay, I'm done.
So today we're going to be attaching twine onto a card that we've made previously.
And throwing it back to our Throw It Together Thursday.
That's right. So we can take our twine and you can wrap it around the card a couple of times, here, and then you can staple the ends where the twine would still be on the inside. You can do a single layer of twine and put a staple on each end, or you could double the twine and just put a staple here on this end and a staple here on that end, and just trim this edge so that they're both free. And I think that's what we're going to do today, right?
There's also what you can do is this twine is, you can split it in half if it's too thick for you.
Right, so you can.
I'm not sure which colors are still available online, but we do have tons. We have Pixie, Flaxen, Slate, Glacier, Thistle, so tons of them. If anybody wants any of the colors that we have, we will show you which ones we have. And if they're not online, you can always order them through us. It's great twine. It could be used for anything. You can also do fun things like putting a square around the A as well.
True.
So if you put a staple in each corner.
Right. You can just staple it here and here. And it's a little hard since I only have two hands, but to give you an idea.
So just a bunch of different creative things that you can do. But we're going to be simple today and show you the double.
Yes. So I'm just going to double this up like that. And I think we'll put it on the bottom of the card. We're just going to leave a little bit. So in between, we're just going to center that.
And it also goes to show you that if you think of an idea, you can always go back to old cards or page kits that you've done and embellish even more.
Yes, perfect idea. Oh, and I just wanted to mention, you see this little, what's that called? A little notch in there? That's so you can gauge where the staple will be, because that's basically going to be the size of the staple. And you can just staple that. And there.
That's so cute.
Yes, it is. They are adorable little staples. And they're so great. You don't have to only use them on cards. You can use them on your layouts.
We also use this mini stapler just to have in our bag when we are scrapbooking in case we have to staple anything together. It works perfect just like a regular stapler would.
Yes, it does. And I'm just going to snip the ends here. And then I'm just going to trim that end. And there you have it.
Also, another technique that you could do, like we showed you, you could undo the 2 pieces of twine. You can actually fray the whole entire twine, so you get a ton of tiny little strips as well.
Yes. Let me
And
see
then
if
you
I
can actually staple it like that too, so it's not the full twine like my mom is doing. So if you wanted to leave even more at the edges, you could fray the ends of the twine.
Right. I've done that several times too.
And it just gives it a little cute technique.
Mm-hmm.
Just like that.
Like a little poof.
Yep. And that is the mini stapler. Short and simple technique today, but we just wanted to show you how cute it looks on cards and page layouts. Why don't we show them a few examples of our page layouts that we have?
Of course.
All right. So this is a very good layout to show you what we mean by the staples. So see how on the Urban we have the staples actually attached to one of our Cricut cuts, just to give it some dimension of the page. And then we have some little twine bows there. But then down here, we've done exactly what my mom just said about fraying the ends of the ribbon. And then the twine goes and it goes and it goes and it goes and it goes. And then it's stapled again there. And do you see how she actually did a double staple with the twine frayed and on a little bit of an angle to give it some dimension? And then also there's some staples there. We've got some twine stapled there. And there's even these 2 staples just in the corner to give it even more dimension.
We just wanted to show you all the different colors of the twine. So
that's our thistle, pixie. We've got flaxen. This is our own poppy. If you can tell, we've used it. Poppy.
Yes.
We have our slate, our fern, and then what we just used, our glacier. And we also have white twine as well.
And this is a little bit thinner, so.
Yes, this is a thinner one. As you can see, I've actually pulled it apart a little bit in this one. And then every once in a while, they will come out with other ones. So we did have a white and bronze. We did have a white and gold at some point. So if you are interested in any of these, let us know, and we will hold them for you. Thank you for joining this week's Technique Tuesday. We hope you enjoyed our little embellishing with our stapler.
And we hope you have a great week, and we will see you next time.
Yes, thank you for all of our new followers as well out there. We love the support, and keep on following, keep on showing our videos to all your other friends and croppers out there. And we'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.
Bye. Yes, we are. We're going to show you fun with staplers. What? Oh, yes.
And we are here with a fun new technique.
Yes, it's stapling.
Oh my God.
What am I supposed to say? Use our close to my heart staple. We're just using one staple. And with the stapler, you can get a refill of the mini staplers, and I wrote 2,000 there because that means that it comes
staplers.
with this staplers. What? We also have refills for the stapler. Dang!
Did you just snort?
No, that was you.
Pull it together.
It's not Thursday. Ow!
Oh my
Okay.
God.
So we hope you enjoyed this week's.
This is why I talk.
No.
Thank you for joining.
Lots and lots of outtakes today.